Hello, welcome to the Code Studio. In this lecture we will be installing Node package manager, that is NPM. So we will move to our terminal, and the first command we will run is sudo apt update. This command will update our package manager on Ubuntu 18.4. So run this command, sudo apt update. It will take some time. As you can see, our package manager is updated now. So let's install a Node package manager, that is npm, on our Ubuntu machine. So the command for that is sudo apt install npm. Let's run this command. Yes, we will go with the yes option. It will take some time. So as you can see that our Node package manager is now installed. Let's check the version of our npm. The command for that is sudo npm, or you can simply write npm -- version. So yeah, it says that we have installed 6.14.8. This is the version of npm installed on our own machine. So the steps are very basic. The command we use is sudo apt update to update our package manager. The next command we use is sudo apt install npm to install our Node package manager, and this command npm -- version is used to check the installed version of our npm. So that's all for today's lecture. Thank you for watching this lecture, and thank you for watching for this series.